Oh my goodness.
Come back over.
Do you want help?
Come over to the table, look, and I help you.
Nan, I'll help you.
Listen, I have to fix this. We're ready to be a good boy.
What's that? What is it?
You want to take the plastic off there?
I should see his face. What is this? What is it? What's that one? Look at his face, he read it. Oh, they go with your ones, look! What are they? Fire alarms. What you say? Come over here. What's that? An exit sign. What you say to the babas? Thank you. Say hi. Riley.
Welcome.
Hi. Okay, right. Tell everyone you're going to tell them what it is. Okay, what's this? Exit sign. What's this? A big exit sign. What are these? Smoke alarms. What's this one? Noisy one, yeah. And what's this one? The lights. What are these? Fire alarms. What colours? Red, green, blue and yellow. What do you say? Thank you. Come here. Come here. Tell the babas, are you very happy? What do you say to them? Thank you for your present. Yeah?